In this video, I'll be showing you how you can invite friends on the Locket app. It's very simple and easy, and also how to add friends as well on the Locket app. So you can do that by let's go back here and let me show you guys the first way to do that. You can see friends option there on top, arrow on your screen. Just tap on the friends option there. So if you have any friends in your contact that uses Locket, you can just add them here straight. You get it? Yeah, you can just add them straight away. And also you can also invite friends from different apps. So WhatsApp like this, you're going to send them a link. So for that one, let's come here. Let's tap on the profile at the top left on our screen here. You can see invite them. We tap on the invite button here. And then here we can invite everybody we want to add on Locket. So this is just like Snapchat, looks just like Snapchat. I have a full review on the app. You can check that out on my channel. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.